Team Emilord presents
Sweet treats.
Pull out 500 grams of frozen apples and put them in an oven-safe dish.
Hey, what you making?
Microwave until soggy.
Next, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch,
A half teaspoon of Saigon Cinnamon.
a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves,
And finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of Ground Nutmeg.
That smells great.
Then mix everything together until the apples are coated evenly.
How many cups of coffee have you had?
1. Why?
No reason. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of quick oats,
160 grams of brown sugar,
20 grams of all-purpose flour,
half a teaspoon of Saigon Cinnamon,
then drizzle everything with 57 grams of melted butter.
I'm all at the bowl this time. Oh.
Thoroughly mix the topping ingredients until it comes together as a crumb-like texture.
You sure you only had 1?
Why do you keep asking? I'm always this fast.
I'm just gonna sit here quiet and disappointed.
Okay, moving on! Next, grab the apples and cover them with the topping mixture. Spread it out evenly so the apples are completely covered and pack it down gently.
Think we're ready to bake.
You bet!
Put the apple crisp in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes or until bubbling at the edges. Pull the apple crisp out of the oven and let it cool on the counter.
I claim this in the name of dragons. I'm gonna breathe on it, so it's mine.
Ew! I don't think so.
No. Subscribe.